All right, we are back with another installment of Can I Get a Flavor? I know in last video I said this would be weekly, but last week I just got my 8-year-old son, soon to be 8-year-old son, and it's been crazy getting him settled in and adjusted and all that stuff. So, yeah, please believe he will be a guest on the show. He is a young snacker and amazing. He is a young snacker and amazing, but he is a young snacker in the making. Please believe that boy can snack his butt off, okay? He got a silver tooth to prove it. But yeah, man, let's get back into it, yo. Delicious snacks all over the place, everywhere, here and there, far and near. Dr. Seuss, he said it best. He said it clear. So today we got some jerky. We in the jerky game today. Dried meats, kill it, skin it, fillet it, hang it over some sticks, smoke it, dry it out, make it last longer. Today we got a brand that goes by the name of Epic. I was walking in the store and I was like, you know what? This looks interesting. This ain't Jack Links. This ain't all the ones that we're used to, because these got different animals on the front. It ain't just beef. You know what I mean? There's other stuff. So the first one we get into is venison steak. Okay. Of course, the elk caught my eye. Anything that's not a Sasquatch or the face of a cow, it's gonna catch my eye. I was like, oh, what's that? That's Epic. Oh, what's that? Elk? Deer? Venison is deer, right? Elk, deer, still venison? I don't know. Venison steak. Sea salt, pepper strip with beef. Of course, it's not gonna be 100%. Gotta add the boof in there. 9 grams of protein, 100% grass-fed venison. So yeah, let's bust this baby open. Let's see what we got going on. I like how it gives you the starter. Sometimes you really gotta play with it. I like the easy open action. Epic, you're winning me over. It's sealed. Sealed for freshness. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay. Give me a second. All right. We got some opening shears. I felt shears would be the best term, considering you shear animals when you cut their wool or whatever you need to harvest to make yarn for thee. I don't know, but you use the word shear, so we're shearing off the plastic for the package. Let's hit it with the smell. I'm not getting anything awkward. A lot of beef, pepper, yeah, let's get the flavor. It's tough and firm. I really prefer the tough ones. I mean, I'm not getting venison. I'm not getting venison at all on this one. It's beef. Ingredients: grass-fed venison, grass-fed beef, sea salt, cracked pepper, and powdered garlic powder. I'm just getting beef and pepper, My pops, he used to hunt deer. He gave me a venison steak one time. Tastes like foot and mouth disease. I mean, just awful. Hit it with all the A1 I could. Didn't help. But I'm not rude, and I don't like to be wasteful. So I sat there for an hour and 45 minutes eating the steak. But I didn't want to throw it away. And then I had some venison sausage, and it was amazing. Okay, one last flavor. That's very regular. Very regular. Okay. Next, we're gonna go with the Wagyu. Short A, long A. I don't know. Wagyu. Wagyu beef strip. 6% protein, 100% grass-fed beef. Grass-fed Wagyu. Wildflower, honey, sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder. It sounds delicious. Yes, this is beef, but I've heard that the Wagyu beef, whatever, is that top tier, that top notch with the marbling. I think it's more like the nice marbling. Yeah, I think so. I watched a lot of stuff on expensive meats and other expensive dishes. And I think this one came across my line a couple times. Wagyu. Okay, let's get it out. Okay. It's definitely a different aroma of beef. It must be that high-end Wagyu. I'm not getting any wildflower honey. No black pepper or salt. I don't know. Let's see what it's about. Let's get that flavor. Okay. It's still tough and firm. What movie is that from? Tough, firm. It's tough, but not as tough as the venison. It's softer, milder taste. Like the pepper on this is, it's in there. I mean, it's a pleasant experience. It's a different taste. It's kind of that back end taste, once it settles on the taste buds. It's not bad. Not bad. You want to get stuff other than teriyaki, regular. It's not a bad flavor. I like that. Okay. Up next, we got sweet and savory bison. What is that? Bison and uncured bacon bites. Sweet and savory bison bites. I have had bison burgers, and they are delicious. Super lean, not much fat at all, and the taste there's a very distinct and different, non-fatty, I am one of the cream of the crop meats beef taste burgers. Okay, so you got all that. 100% natural bison. We got bison uncured bacon, no nitrates or nitrates added. Pork, water, salt, vinegar, celery powder, raisins, and chia seed. That's new. Raisins and chia seed in bites, jerky bites, whatever you want to call it. Epic bites in this case. That smells delicious. I don't know. It's like, it's not beef. It's bison. There's the sweetness. It must be the raisin, but the meat aroma is I don't know. You don't smell the sweetness of the raisin, but there's something. It's like a sweet beef. I don't know. That smells delicious. Now let's get the flavor. That is tender. That is not hard at all. Everything just breaks apart. Easy. what the purpose chia seeds are. Ground it up. I've had it in like kombucha and stuff like that. But wow, that's good. This is good. Yeah. I need it. Jason! Come here! I was gonna wait to bring him on, but deliciousness like this must be shared. That's good.
Yeah.
Come here. Say what's up to YouTube land.
What's up, guys?
So, I'm doing this video on the snacks. You already know. You gotta get the snack game.
Oh, yeah.
These are delicious, and I need a second opinion. I need you to go in here, grab a delicious morsel, and let me know what you think.
What is this?
It's Bison. Get that flavor. Let me know what you think. What's coming to you? What's hitting you? How's it taste?
It tastes like beef jerky.
That's it? Okay, get out of here.
Hey!
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the bacon jerky taste like?
I don't know. Hey, shh, quiet. Ruining stuff. Go. I'll get you on a different episode. Thank you. Love you.
Love you!
See, that's why I say young snacker in the making. Because his review points are less than stellar, as you can see. So yeah. Last but not least, we got a filler. Epic Bites. They focus on the not norm. They had another one that was all out though. It was salmon bites. Okay, I was very interested in hitting some of them salmon bites, but they were all out. So I filled something in. I filled it in. He gave it away already. But I got a filler. I wanted to get something that wasn't beef, a cow, or anything like that. Other than, of course, Bison and the Wagyu. So I just got good old-fashioned bacon jerky. Okay. Surprisingly enough, I've never had this, and I know this stuff has been out for a while, but I've never had bacon jerky. Excuse me. It's the Wagyu. Yeah, because I always assume, how can you jerky bacon? It's still going to taste like bacon. You know, if you cook a venison steak versus jerkying it, or a bison and stuff like that, it's going to be different. This, I assume, is the same. I mean, it's bacon. It looks like bacon, but I mean, it's more smoky. What was it? Hickory smoke? Okay, yeah, definitely more smoky, less porky aroma. So let's get the flavor. Okay, 100% real bacon, awesome hickory smoke, cured with water, salt, sugar, smoke flavoring. This has sodium nitrate. Is that what they're talking about? Nitrates? I don't know. I do like how I got the fatty part still soft. I like the fatty part of bacon. But I mean, it's bacon. I apologize. It's bacon. But I'm an even number type guy. I couldn't just have 3 things on it. I had to have at least an even number. So that's that. This is whatever, you know, late night binge watching. Throw it up on there. But yeah, Venison, Wagyu. Somebody please tell me how you say this. Please, I'm just tearing it up. He deserves better. Bison. Epic Bites. This is, you ain't missing nothing. Experience it. Fire. Okay? Salmon bites. If I come across it, I'm just gonna pick it up and I'll just throw it in as a side piece in the next one whenever I get my hands on it. But yeah, that is it, guys. Can I get a flavor? Installment 2, Volume 2, Part 2, Episode 2. How you wanna do it? We in here, yo. This is a thing. There's no shortage of snacks. This is a thing. We in here. Flavors are real. Holla at y'all. Go to your stores, grab some stuff. Let me know what you got going on. Let me know if you want me to try something. See if I can find it. I'm stuck in Kansas. Ain't much out here. But I'm trying my best. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Holla at y'all.